Are you ready to level up your business game and achieve greatness? Are you looking for practical strategies and actionable advice to help you build a successful business or advance your career? Look no further. In this video, we're sharing the top 14 business books that have helped some of the most successful people in the world get ahead. Hello and welcome to Brainy Lux, where we empower you to reach your full potential. From proven strategies for building a successful startup to tips for overcoming common productivity pitfalls, these books cover it all. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the top 14 business books that you don't want to miss. Trust us, your future self will thank you. Number 1. The Lean Startup by Ries. This book is a classic that teaches entrepreneurs how to build a successful business by developing and launching new products or services in a lean, efficient way. It introduces the concept of validated learning, which involves testing assumptions and hypotheses about the market and customers through rapid experimentation and iteration. Number 2. Good to Great by Jim Collins. This book offers a framework for companies to achieve long-term success by focusing on what Collins calls the hedgehog concept, the intersection of three key elements: what you can be the best at, what drives your economic engine, and what you are passionate about. The book is based on a 5-year research project that studied the performance of companies and identified key factors that contributed to their success. Number 3. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. This book has become a must-read for anyone looking to improve their personal and professional effectiveness. It teaches readers how to develop powerful habits that will help them achieve their goals and be more successful in all areas of their lives. The book is based on Covey's experience as an educator and leadership consultant, and covers topics such as time management, communication, problem solving, and teamwork. Number 4. The E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. This book is a must-read for small business owners and entrepreneurs. It argues that many small businesses fail because the owner is too busy working in the business to work on the business, and provides a roadmap for developing a successful and scalable business model. The book introduces the concept of the entrepreneurial myth, which is the belief that anyone can start a successful business simply by being good at a particular skill or trade. Number 5. The 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss. This book offers a provocative and unconventional approach to time management and productivity, teaching readers how to outsource tasks, automate their work, and achieve more freedom in their lives. It covers a wide range of topics, including personal finance, entrepreneurship, and digital nomadism. Number 6. The Innovator's Dilemma by Clayton M. Christensen. This book explores the concept of disruptive innovation, and how it can challenge established companies to adapt or risk being left behind. It's a must-read for anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve in a rapidly changing business landscape. The book is based on Christensen's research on the technology industry and features case studies of companies that have successfully navigated disruptive innovation. Number 7. The One Thing by Gary Keller and J. Papasan. This book teaches readers how to identify and focus on the most important tasks in their lives and businesses, and how to eliminate distractions and overcome procrastination. It introduces the concept of the one thing, which is the most important task that will have the biggest impact on your life or business. Number 8. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. This book delves into the science of habits and how they shape our lives and businesses, and offers practical strategies for developing new habits and breaking old ones. It covers a wide range of topics, including how habits are formed, how they can be changed, and how they can be used to improve performance and productivity. Number 9. The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F by Mark Manson. This book takes a refreshingly honest and unconventional approach to personal development, teaching readers how to set healthy boundaries and priorities, and how to focus on what really matters in their lives. Number 10. Start with Why by Simon Sinek. This book teaches readers how to inspire others and drive change by starting with a clear purpose or why. It's a must-read for anyone looking to lead and motivate others. The book is based on the concept of the Golden Circle, which is a framework for understanding how successful leaders and organizations inspire action. Number 11. Tools of Titans by Tim Ferriss. This book is a collection of strategies, tactics, and habits from some of the world's most successful and influential people, including entrepreneurs, athletes, and celebrities. It covers a wide range of topics, including productivity, exercise, and relationships. Number 12. The Outsiders by William N. Thorndike. This book profiles 8 successful CEOs and the unique leadership qualities that help them outperform the market and their peers. It covers a wide range of industries, including finance, retail, and manufacturing, and offers insights on how to be an effective leader in any organization. Number 13. The Personal MBA by Josh Kaufman. This book offers a comprehensive and practical guide to the core concepts and skills needed to succeed in business, including finance, marketing, and sales. It covers a wide range of topics, including business models, marketing strategies, and financial analysis. Number 14. The Tipping Point by Malcolm Gladwell. This book examines how small changes can have a big impact and how certain ideas, products, or behaviors can spread rapidly and become tipping points in society. It covers a wide range of topics, including social networks, marketing, and crime prevention. We hope you enjoyed our list of the top 14 business books that everyone should read. Whether you're just starting out on your entrepreneurial journey or you're a seasoned professional looking to take your career to the next level, these books offer valuable insights and strategies for success. So don't just take our word for it, pick up a few of these titles and see for yourself how they can help you reach your goals. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to tip us by hitting the like button. Share it with your friends so we can keep making them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing videos. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and advice on health, wealth, motivation, and wellness.